Hello, in this video we're going to do a List Infinity review and update. List Infinity just made some major updates to the program, and so I want to go over those in this video. First of all, welcome to my channel. Take a look around once you're done with this video. I have lots of other videos that talk about ways to make money online and also different programs and services that I use in my own business that could help you. So feel free to take a look around after this video is over. So let's jump into this List Infinity review and update. And here's what we're covering in this video. First of all, why email list building and marketing is important. We're going to talk about what you get with List Infinity and also their main updates that they just came out with. We're going to take a look inside my members account, so you'll see what that looks like and what you'll get. And then also how you can earn instant 100% commissions with List Infinity. And lastly, I'm going to show you some sales proof that this does work. I've been getting sales. You can get sales. And so make sure you watch all the way to the end of this video so you can see the proof. First, why email list building? Well, email list building and marketing is a great way to function online and make money for several reasons. It's easy to get started. It's very focused, and it's just something that creates an asset that you own and that cannot be taken away from you. Anytime you do something where you're relying on third-party programs or software, then potentially you could be at risk of losing. Maybe you decide you want to get into Pinterest marketing. Well, you could lose your Pinterest account and then be left with nothing. Maybe you have a website and your hosting account gets taken away, your YouTube channel gets shut down, etc. Once those things happen, then you have nothing. Now, when you build an email list, you own that list. You own that list of email addresses. You're going to need an email autoresponder. We'll talk about a couple of those, and I'll leave descriptions in the or some links in the description box below for that. And so it's possible you could lose your email autoresponder, but that's okay. There's lots of others out there, and you can always change to a different one because you still have your email addresses. And so that's something that you own and that you keep. So List Infinity is a email list building program. It's going to help you create an email list and build an email list, and then therefore allow you to help you market to that email list. So let's go ahead and jump inside well, first of all, let's see, what are you going to need? So you're going to need a List Infinity account. We'll talk about that in just a second. And you're also going to need an email autoresponder. Okay, List Infinity integrates with Aweber, and it also integrates with GetResponse, and I believe it integrates with one or two other email autoresponders, but I definitely recommend either GetResponse or Aweber. They've been around forever. They're both friendly to affiliate marketing. Some email autoresponder companies, big name autoresponder companies, will shut down your email account if you try to send affiliate links in your email messages. And that is much less likely with Aweber or GetResponse. And so I'll leave links for Aweber and GetResponse in the description box down below as well. Let's go ahead and jump into my List Infinity account. Here we are. Here's my account. I'm at the pro level. Whoever helped get you started, you'll see appear as your sponsor. And then they have things you want to do to get your account set up. So basically you just need to go through the system setup page steps. Connect your autoresponder, again that's Aweber or GetResponse. Customize your bridge page, import your email campaign. That's a 30-day follow-up email sequence that'll help you earn commissions, and they give that to you, so you want to set that up. And then so you can get payments, set up your payment processor. List Infinity integrates with both PayPal and Stripe, so you can use either one of those. Activate your income streams, so there's some other ways that you can make money through List Infinity as well. Add any affiliate offers and your tracking pixels. And these are all very self-explanatory. They give you step-by-step instructions. Very easy to get set up. Now, one of the great things with List Infinity is they include 15 different lead capture pages, okay? They're all nice quality. They can be very simple. They can be more, a little fancier, so you can use whichever one you like. And so let's go through the process. So choose a lead capture page. So this is one of their newer ones. And what will happen is you will send traffic, you will send people to this lead capture page. And inside of List Infinity, they give you some traffic training, Facebook marketing training. I'm a pro member, so I get some additional training as well. They give you promotional tools that you can use on Facebook and social media. But the bottom line is you need to send people to this opt-in page. Now, they should also, solo ad training. So solo ads are a great way to get traffic, especially for something like List Infinity. So get your traffic, get your people to here. Now, once somebody enters their email address and click here to continue, then they're going to be taken to this bridge page, okay? And that's going to be a little description about yourself and your photo, so they kind of get to know who you are. When they click here to continue, that's going to take them to the main List Infinity sales page where it talks about the viral list building system that pays you 100% commissions. Okay, so they can watch through the video, they can read through this, lots of proof of payments that people are making on List Infinity, and so they can go ahead and click to get their free account. When they do that, they'll enter their name, their email, their username, their password, who they're being referred by, and then they'll click Create Account. And that'll set up their free account, and it'll take them to this page, okay? So now they have their free account set up, and this is the major update with List Infinity. When List Infinity first started, they had either the free or the pro level of $100. So that was it, just two choices, free or $100. And then they added a starter level, which was $10. But with this most recent upgrade, they've added a middle level. Well, they increased the price of starter from $10 to $25, and then they added a middle advanced level of $50. Okay, and so now they have three levels. Starter level of just $25. They can upgrade at any time. The advanced level, $50. They can upgrade at any time. Or pro level of $100. Okay, and what's the main difference? Well, if someone joins at the starter level, then they can earn $25 on anybody else who joins with them at the starter level. But they can't earn the $50 or $100 advanced or pro levels. If you're advanced, then you can earn on the starter and advanced levels only. So if someone joins at the starter level, then you earn the $25 100% instant commission. And if someone joins at the advanced, you earn the $50 100% instant commission. But if you help somebody start and they join at the pro, you do not earn that $100. Instead, that'll get passed up to your sponsor. And so if you can join, if you can afford to join at the pro level, then I would do that because you're going to be able to earn on all levels. The starter, the advanced, and the pro. You're not going to lose any commissions. None are going to get passed up. You're going to get all of them. Plus, you're going to get some additional income streams. You're going to get some additional lead capture pages, quite a bit more training. But the biggest thing is you're not going to miss out on any payments, okay? Now, if you can't, start wherever you're able to, because you don't want to miss out on any payments. So certainly start out wherever you're able. But if you're able to jump in at the $100 level, then I certainly would recommend that you go ahead and do that if that's something you're able to do. And so again, that is where I joined. I joined at the pro level, paid the $100. Because the nice thing about this, if we go back and we scroll down a second, the biggest thing with List Infinity to me that makes it such a nice program over others is that there's no ongoing payments. And so if you decide to join at the pro levels for $100, it's a one-time payment. Okay? You don't pay every month. There are no monthly payments. There's no ongoing payments. It's just one time. Okay, other programs that are similar to List Infinity, a lot of times they do have ongoing monthly payments that you have to maintain in order to be eligible to earn commissions. That's not the case here with List Infinity. You do your one-time payment, and then there's no ongoing payments at all, but yet you're able to earn those those 100% instant commissions just from that one-time payment that you made to join List Infinity. So I would definitely encourage you to join at whatever level that you are able to at this time. You certainly can upgrade later if you need to. Now, as you may have noticed, if we go back here, there is at the advanced and the pro level a one-time admin fee of $25. Okay, and so you do have to pay that because it's going to give you access to additional things and make sure you get your payments. But again, it's just a one-time payment. So that is List Infinity as the overview. I did talk to you, I shared with you that we are going to cover proof, right? Sales proof. So we're near the end of the video. Let's go ahead and jump back into my ListInfinity account. And if we go to the statistics area, you'll be able to see I've gotten 328 clicks so far, 124 leads, and 4 sales, all at the pro level. So I've made $400. So I paid $100 one time, and I've made a total of $400 since I've joined. So I'm in profit of $300. And this is so easy to promote. And I actually forgot to tell you, there's some other, these are the other income streams. Udemy is a solo ad marketplace that they talk about in the solo ad training. And so you put your affiliate link in this banner. ClickMagick is click tracking software that they talk about in the training. You put your affiliate link on this banner. And then Aweber, which they talk about in the training, you put your affiliate link in this banner. And so when you help people join, if they decide to buy solo ads and click through your link, you'll earn money. If they decide to get an account with ClickMagick or Aweber, then you earn a commission when they get started. So those are additional ways that you can learn with ListInfinity. So I hope this helped. Please, if you have questions at all, leave them in the comments below. I'll be happy to answer those. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a thumbs up if you liked the video and subscribe so you can get more information as new videos come out. Thanks so much and have a great day.